Okay, can we seriously just talk about the random ass country of Moldova? This is Europe's least visited country, and when you look at it, it's kind of like, how the hell did it end up that way? For those of you who don't know, Moldova is basically this country right here in Eastern Europe, sandwiched between Romania and Ukraine. And yes, Ukraine did take this random 1 mile wide corridor of land that basically separates them from the Black Sea. To be fair, those borders were mostly drawn during like Russian Empire and Soviet times. But anyhow, the Moldovan language is basically just Romanian. Like, they have no problem communicating with each other. The differences are very minor. Moldovans might have a slight accent and they use more Russian words because they were an SSR under the Soviet Union at one point. But for all intents and purposes, they are pretty much the exact same people. It's just that they got separated by like 100 years under Russian rule, and then they actually unified for like 22 years. But then the Soviet Union took them back for like another 50 years. On top of that, Romanians and Moldovans are the easternmost Latin peoples on earth. Yes, that means they're related to people like the Spanish, Portuguese, and Italians. On top of that, Moldova has two strange autonomous units within their country: Transnistria and Gagauzia, which is located in the southern part of the country, made up of these 4 separate enclaved areas. And Gagauzia is made up of ethnic Turkic peoples, not Latin. And the funny thing is, like, nobody even knows exactly how they got there. Like, were they Turkified Latins, or were they like a weird people group that migrated from Anatolia during Ottoman Empire times? Nobody knows. And then you get to the breakaway self-declared state of Transnistria. This place pretty much acts like its own country. They have their own government, police force, license plates. They even have their own currency, which looks like this, and they also have coins that are made of plastic. The ethnic makeup is almost exactly 1/3 each of Moldovan, Russian, and Ukrainian. They even have their own passport, which is pretty much useless. Moldova does allow Transnistrian passport holders to enter their country, not because they recognize them, but because they think Transnistria is part of their country. It's like a weird gray zone policy. But for all interim intents and purposes, this place is pretty much the last surviving remnant of the former USSR. But anywho, aside from all the geopolitical complication fanatics, this place is actually pretty underrated. Like, yes, I know they have a ton of domestic political drama that sort of stagnates their ability to move forward with a bunch of IGOs, but regardless, everything is super cheap. The food is heavy and hearty. They love drinking wine. They have wine culture. You'll come across like medieval castles every so often. But like, seriously, like Moldova and its autonomous units, it's like the best random hilarious place to wake up after a night of not remembering what you did the night before. There you go. Check this place out.